Master! Master! Listen up, the villagers in Meow Meow Village discovered that every single watermelon was devoured last night. Village chief is holding an emergency meeting to catch that watermelon bandit.
Amitabha. Bodhisattvas suffer for the sake of all beings, even if it means descending into hell, to ease their pain. How can we just stand by? Wukong, hurry up and catch that demon.
Huh, okay, I will go cause I'm Sun Wukong, the great sage who made havoc in heaven 500 years ago. Evil beast, turn your back, or else I'll turn you to meat sauce. Where do you think you're going?
Ouch, that really hurts. Who is it? I am Marshal Tianping.
You idiot! You are here stealing watermelons instead of begging for food as our master told you?
Impudent ape, you've totally trashed my handsome face. No girl will marry me like this.
I don't think it's your face, that's the issue, piggy.
Amitabha, Baji, you could just tell us that you were hungry.